So, what's up guys? We're back with another video. We are on the weekly chart of S&P 500. Let's check the stock market today, the dollar, gold, and maybe oil to see what's going on. And then I'll do a separate video for Bitcoin. So, we have gone through this huge correction and we expected it. S&P was overextended, so the only logical thing to happen next was for the market to take a breath on the downside. We still hold the uptrend. We still hold this uptrend pretty well. And we bounced off 4200. As I told you, that probably the lowest point that we'll touch might be 4200 or 4150. Now, is that good enough? Maybe. Let's see. Let's get a price range here to see how low have we gone. So this is an 8.6% drop from the S&P 500 high of July 2023. 9% for the S&P 500 is not bad. Usually most corrections are between 5 to 6 or something. So 8% sounds good. I would love to see a 10% drop. Yeah, it's exactly 4150. I would love to buy here, get into an overweight position and buy heavier even more. Of course, I have been buying a lot through the last couple of days, these last 2 weeks. I have been buying a lot and I have been adding to my positions, but I would love to buy even lower, even heavier. Maybe add thousands of dollars over here and euros. So is that good enough? It's good. That's why I've been buying, but it could be even better if we get the next week like 2 more days of a sharp drop down here below 4200, so I can fully lock in my positions and then run from there. Expect a swing high. So that's what's going on for the S&P 500 right now. Let's check the daily chart to see. We had these last 2 days on the bottom of this uptrend, and now we have a big green candle. Let's see if this holds up Monday and Tuesday. So let's wait. What's happening to dollar? Oh, finally some red candles for the dollar. That's good. That's a good thing. The first red candle for the dollar. Oh, I think it will probably close red. That's interesting because it has been in this insane rally. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks of green. 11 weeks on the upside. So we have our first red candle forming. Let's see if it closes red. It would be insane if that closes green as well. But yeah, it surpassed the last dollar high and it's making new highs right now. So let's see how long this will last. It's great how the stocks have held too, with how much the dollar rose. It's insane. And the same for gold. Even though gold dropped, it still held well, in spite the fact of the dollar rising so much. So that's one thing. If that goes lower, maybe we might see a green candle even this last week, and then the next week that will form, we'll see the first day is green and then it will turn, the dollar will turn red while the stock market turns green. That's what I expect. Besides that, that's what's going on for the stock market right now. I have bought some MasterCard. I love MasterCard. It didn't even go that close to the 200 week moving average that it has. Let me see the daily chart. Yeah, it was far away. It was like at the 100-day moving average. It didn't even touch the 200 days. So there is still room to go for MasterCard. S&P Global touched and even went lower than the 200-week moving average. So those are good prices to buy for the long term if you check the historical prices here. I bought S&P Global. I bought some Tesla. Even though it didn't drop that much, I bought some Tesla. I've been buying LVMH too. I love LVMH. I bought Shopify too. Those are some stocks that I love. Shopify is below the 200-week moving average, and now it's trying to rise back up with the green day that we saw on Friday. Monster has been dropping a lot, along with Pepsi, Coca-Cola. Let's see. Look at that. The last time we showed these prices from Monster was back at February of 23. Almost like 8 to 10 months ago. That's insane. We were back at these prices. Rumble has been dropping a lot. Let's check. MicroStrategy rose a bit because of Bitcoin rising, but we'll do a separate episode for Bitcoin. Oh, let's see. Okay. Let's check Pepsi. Those are good dividend stocks. If you're building a dividend stock for the long term. I'm not into those defensive stocks that much, but yeah, some people like them. Look at that. Prices that we had on 2022, March of 22. That's insane that we went all the way back here. And look at that. Wow. Pepsi is down 20%, more than 20%. That's insane. These are great prices to buy Pepsi if you are a Pepsi holder or a defensive dividend stock holder. Let's go check Coke as well. Let's do a price range here because Coke fell as well. I think not so much, but it fell. This can signify the bottom of this correction because it's just so sharp. Price range moves. Look at that. Oh, Coke is even lower, down 23%. Maybe because it's selling in the premium, it got even lower. And it went all the way to $51. It went below the prices of September of 21. That's insane. That's 2 years ago. So this is a great buying opportunity for you guys if you like these stocks. I'm not that much into them. I would rather buy Monster, which has a higher, upside than the others because it's a smaller market cap. But yeah, let's go to gold. Let's take gold. So gold is in the red and it dropped below the 200-week moving average and it's dropping even lower, and now it can even go as low as 1600 or 1700. So I'm not worrying that much about gold's long-term value. I'm not worrying about short-term either, but am I planning on buying? Maybe not, because there are better opportunities right now in the market. But I would love to buy below 1700 maybe, or at 1700 if we get there. GDXJ, I'm not buying direct gold, I'm buying GDXJ to get exposure to gold. And that's one thing for gold. Now we're in the middle of nowhere, so is that a good place to buy? Not so much from after the sharp drops. Let's check oil. Oil, after this huge rise that it had, that went back all the way to $95, now dropped to 83 and has a small correction. Let's see if it holds this line or it goes even lower back to its original consolidation period. And that's all for this stock market review. Let me know your thoughts, what you're buying, and I'll see you guys on the next one.